watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. For today's video, we are back with another wig install, but of course you guys can see that my background is pretty much different. I'm in the process of moving, so yeah, I'm very all over the place right now. So I'm back to install this wig that I got from RPGSHOW for you guys. Y'all know how much I love this company and how much I love their wigs, so we're gonna jump right into it. First, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything that comes with your wigs. Okay, so here you have your wig. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes with your wig from them. Then they also send you a flyaway tamer. I love that they always provide you with a flyaway tamer. This is definitely necessary when you're installing a wig. You need to tame those flyaways. Also get a two-piece stocking cap from them, and this card right here has like all the details on your wig, all the specs, everything that you need to know about your wig is in this little envelope right here. You also get a magazine from them, and this is, I believe, is just like a wig bag. So this is what the inside of your wig is looking like. It does come with the combs on the inside, the adjustable strap that's in the back there. I love these pieces here, especially. I tell you guys this all the time, if you don't want to wear your wig glueless, all you need to do is tighten these pieces here, you guys, and your wig sits on your head without any lifting or sliding back, and that's what I absolutely love most. All right, before we get further into this wig, I just want to read you guys all the details and the specs on this unit from them. So let me just get my card out. The name of this wig on your website is called Sophia the Wig Stylist 007. The order number is WD09. The texture of this hair is a silky texture. I did get mine in a 20-inch. The hair color comes exactly as the picture, so whatever picture they have on their website is exactly that wig that you will be getting in the mail. The cap construction is a 13x6 glueless lace front wig. The density is a 200 density, which, as you guys can see, the wig is pretty full, and the lace is a tinted transparent Swiss lace, and I got mine in a medium brown. This is the wig straight out the box. Like, look at that hairline, and it's plucked to perfection. I really appreciate that. This looks really good, and I feel like this is definitely my color. Like, do you guys see the color on this? Don't mind the hair, I'm gonna fix the hair after. But the wig itself is like such a beautiful wig. I love the color. I feel like this is giving me like Kayla vibes. Like, this is my type of color right here. I love the ombre from the dark to the blonde. Love it, absolutely love it. This is so gorgeous. So I am doing this in part, so I just want to make sure that my parting space is like extremely straight. Right now we're just gonna go ahead and cut off all this excess lace, and we're gonna see what it's giving. This is what the hairline is giving now that all the excess lace is gone, and as you guys can see, y'all, my wig is completely snug. It's on my head, it's not moving. As I said, you guys definitely need to tighten those drawstrings in the back because my wig is not going anywhere. And again, it is completely glueless. Like, you guys saw that. Completely glueless, no adhesive, no nothing. It's just sitting on my head. Like, I could definitely wake up every day and just try on this wig and go. So yeah. And you guys, the crazy thing about this is not even HD lace, it's actually just like a transparent lace. Look how melted that is. I didn't even use a melt band. I didn't use any spray, no adhesive, nothing. All I did was pop the wig on my head, you guys, and cut off all that excess lace. And y'all, initially I wanted to like restyle the hair, but I'm just gonna take my brush and passage through this hair. I don't really think it needs it, to be honest. Maybe like the curls in the front. Alright y'all, so this is what the hair is looking like from the back. Do you guys see that? The color, so beautiful. I've shown you guys this trick before. Whenever I can't get my parting space straight, because I honestly don't know how to get like a really straight parting space. It's kind of hard for me. I just take some concealer on the end of my red tail comb And I'm gonna show you guys the trick that really like helps me. Concealer, you position it where your parting space kind of ends. I mean your retinal cone. And you just bring it down the center. Oh, I think I did the side that had no concealer on it. Yeah, just bring it down that center. It's easy as that. Now my parting space looks a lot more straight and you can actually see the part rather than how it was looking before. So as you guys can see, that's a little trick you can take from this video if you're not, you know, good with like parting spaces and stuff like that. That's something you should learn. This is what the wig is looking like in its natural state. I didn't touch the hair yet. I didn't curl it or nothing like that. So far so good. The hair is absolutely beautiful. It's super soft, extremely soft and silky. So far no shedding, and my floors in here are dark. You guys know if it was to shed a lot, I will definitely have hair like all over. The hair on my floor right now is very minimal, so the shedding is very minimal, which I really love, because with blonde hair, especially the fact that they did have to bleach in process this year, I'm really surprised. This is such a vibe. The hair is so beautiful and soft. Like RPG definitely did their thing with this one, and this is a glueless wig, so y'all know I could pop her off and pop her on as I please. Like, and it's fitting really snug on my head, so that's one thing I really like about this, is the fact that I'm able to just snap her off and snap her right back on. Yeah, just so it has like that bump. I don't have a curling one, so this is definitely gonna have to do. And you want to like try to like clamp it together so some of that heat gets to the entire hair. Yeah, just like that. Oh, that was so easy. Now see, it blends more with like the rest of the hair. It's honestly always so hard to find a good quality colored wig, and this one I'm really like lost for words. Like, I love this. Like, it looks so good. Y'all cannot tell me nothing. Like, my wig is glueless. She's sitting on my head. The color is absolutely beautiful. RPGSHOW, let me tell you, the wig just looks so rich, you guys. One thing I must say, y'all know RPGSHOW is not the cheapest. And if I was to take a good guess at the price tag on this wig, I would definitely say it is between $500 to $600. If you're definitely looking for a wig that you can have for a very long time, a long-term wig, especially if you're spending your hard-earned money on a wig like this, I definitely would recommend going for something that you know is good quality and is definitely going to last you a few years. So thank you so much, RPGSHOW, for sponsoring this video. I love this wig. Like, I cannot get over this wig. Y'all know I'm about to go take 1,000,001 pictures, and I'll have all the details to where you guys can find this exact same wig linked down below in the description box and down below in the comment section right now, and let me know what you guys think about this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, all of that, and we'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.